today I'm going to show you the top 5 Battle Royale games for Android. First, which is PUBG Mobile. Players Unknown's Battlegrounds PUBG. Mobile is a popular battle royale game that offers intense gameplay and a variety of weapons and vehicles. Players can complete in solo, duo, or squad matches to be the last one standing. And the second one, which is Fortnite. Fortnite is a well-known battle royale game with a unique building mechanic. Players can gather resources, build structures, and engage in fast-paced combat to emerge victorious. The third one is Call of Duty. Call of Duty. The mobile features a battle royale mode with iconic maps and characters from the Call of Duty franchise. Players can customize loadouts, use course tricks, and battle it out in a large open world map. The fourth one, which is Garena Free Fire. Garena Free Fire is a fast-paced battle royale game that offers 10-minute matches with up to 50 players. Players can choose their starting point, collect weapons, and stay in the safe zone to survive. And the last one, the fifth one, which is Battlelands Royale. Battlelands Royale is a casual battle royale game with a top-down perspective. It features short action-packed matches and a lighthearted art style. This game offers different gameplay experiences and are widely popular among battle royale enthusiasts on Android. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you to find out the top 5 battle royale games for Android. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.